Hey guys, hi, welcome to Mishi Blue Tarot, welcome to my channel, and I'm back for all of you with another question, another reading. So, I think I'll keep this quite short and simple for you guys to understand because it's a quick reading that I wanted to do. Uh, I was being pulled to do it, and I felt that today could be the time when I could give you some messages around this. So we're looking at what does the universe want to say to you right now? What is the message that wants to come through for you? Okay, this is not specific to your love life, your career. This is a general message. So anybody who wants to see this with an intention of getting to know what's in store or what is coming can watch this reading. Okay, so also, guys, private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And now, as you see, I have three piles here in front of me for you. Pile number one is the Lapi Lazuli, pile number two is the citrine stone, and number three is the amethyst. So, I would request you to pause the video, meditate over the question, meditate over the situation, or just in general. I've always advised people to watch my videos when you are at your calmest best. Okay, don't watch it in a haste. Don't choose your piles in a haste. Calm when you are, keep your calm and then only go for your piles. So go ahead, guys, pick your piles. And for all of you out there, very happy Diwali to all of you. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is, I have only picked up the oracles first for you to check what is the basic message that wants to come through for you, and then I'll shuffle some tarot cards to see or deep dive a bit more into the message. Okay? Alright, so let us begin with Lapi Lazuli. Okay. Okay, so Lapi Lazuli, let's see. What does the universe want to say to you right now? Okay. Pile number one. Let us see. Feeling the world. Okay. So I think people who've chosen this pile, I think you're coming closer to your life purpose, what you're meant to do in this lifetime. Okay. I am picking up on that energy. I also see that a lot of you could be empath is the word that I'm hearing. A lot of you could be feeling very, very emotional at this stage. If you look at this image, at this point, you could be feeling very connected to what you're meant to do, like in general. You might be in a phase of questioning everything that, is this meant for me? Am I meant to do this? Or am I not? Right now, the message that I'm getting from the universe for you is that the universe is open for you. The whole expanse, I would say, is open right now, and you are like an explorer at this stage. You are seeing things. You could be feeling very intuitive at this stage. Your feelings, your emotions are very heightened at this point of time. I can see that. And you might be feeling the need to connect with yourself right now. So, anything that would disturb this, you might just not want to be in that zone at all. Okay, I'm also seeing that you can be very observant right now about everything around you. Okay, everything around you. You would be feeling very connected. And if at all you haven't started to connect with yourself, you will kind of want to connect with yourself now. You would want to explore things now. You would want to see things for yourself. You would want to talk to yourself at this stage. Okay? That's what I'm seeing. Now, let me pick some tarot cards for you. Two of Pentacles. I see that for a lot of you, you might be feeling not connected to the world right now for some reason. When I say the world, I mean earthly things. Like maybe at this stage, you are on a spiritual quest, and on the other end, there are 3D things that you need to take care of. Maybe you have a lot of responsibilities, maybe there are things that require your attention at this stage, and you are trying to manage as much as possible. Okay, but you're not in a very happy space, I would say. You're not feeling absolutely happy. See, right now is a phase of a calling. Okay, it is a calling from within for you to understand that you are an empath. You are somebody who feels things very strongly. I wouldn't be surprised that people who've chosen this pile might be people who probably cry when they watch a movie or something like that, because you feel a lot. Okay, a lot of pentacle energy here. So yes, I do sense that right now don't jump into things, okay, because I see that things have to go a little slow here. Okay, I'm seeing that gradually you will reach a point of balance in this whole situation. You will, okay, but it will be gradual. Okay, if you see, look at these two images. I'm seeing a woman, a lot of feminine energy, holding a pentacle, holding the world also. For a lot of you, I feel you are the one who's taking care of everything around you. It can be your family, it can be your expenses or finances, whatsoever. Okay, but there is a part of you which nobody understands, and that part of you just keeps silent. Okay, and it's okay if you're keeping silent also, it's absolutely fine. Okay, the point is that you are evolving. Okay, I'm seeing like an individual playing two roles. So one part of you is just focused on making sure that everything is available for everyone and everybody is happy and things are like all into place, etc., etc. And a part of you is being spiritual. A part of you is questioning that, maybe the kind of person that I am, I don't fit in here. You need that space. You need that zone of yours, is what I'm picking up. So the universe wants to tell you right now that you are on the right path. Okay, do not worry. All right, keep proceeding. A time of balance will soon come when you can explore this side of you. Right now is the awakening period. Right now is a period when you are feeling things. Okay, when you are intuitively understanding the purpose why you're here. Okay, and that is bringing you closer to yourself, and you'll see a huge change in yourself very soon. And that change is going to be about you being very connected to yourself, and you would know the answers to most of your problems on your own. Okay, so if you've been feeling a little troubled of late, or if you've had some issues, you will emerge victorious from that. Okay, so I would say don't a lot of feminine energy, you guys. I'm actually seeing the Empress here also. So I'm just picking up on the message that the time will come for you to explore this. So don't worry. Right now is a phase of purging. Maybe you're feeling the need to do this, but eventually you will get there. So don't worry. Okay, eventually you will reach that point. Eventually things will come to a balanced state of affairs. Okay, so I'm not asking you to kill that side of yours, but just for the time being, try to strike a balance. At this stage you're like all juggling with your own self. Okay, so I would say don't right now. I mean, don't put your head too much into it, thinking that why aren't things working out, why do I have to do this. I'm seeing that a part of you just wants to be here, to your spiritual side, to your own zone. Okay, but there is always a time for everything. So now is not the time for you to just be on this side. You have to balance both. Okay, Alright, so that's what I'm seeing here for pile number one. Do let me know in the comments if this made sense, because I really wanted to do this for you guys. But I don't know how many of you got a message for pile number one. But yeah, this is what I'm picking up. That you're evolving spiritually, okay? And you just want to be there only. But that's not the solution. You have to balance both, and the time will come when you will be able to balance, and then you can do whatever you want. If you want to be only on this side, that also you can do. Okay, guys? Alright, so that is what I have for pile number one. Do let me know in the comments if this resonated. And also, private readings are open, so you can reach out to me there as well. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your health. Bye bye. Okay, so yeah. Pile number two is the citrine stone. So let us see what, I mean, this reading is going to be quick and short for you guys to listen to and understand the message. I'm trying to bring in a message from the universe for you at this stage. So let us see what comes through for you. It can be in any aspect of your life. Okay, let's see. A message from the universe for you right now. Opening to discovery. Okay, so pile number two, what I'm picking up for you here is that you're getting a lot of downloads. I think a lot of you could be getting the answers to a lot of problems that you had. Okay, I'm seeing that you might also be spending a lot of time in the expanse of the sky, like just seeing the sky, seeing the stars. And I think you are getting to the point of conclusion to your confusions. Okay, you are getting to that point, and I can see that energy here. I see that you are, you are right now could be experiencing a lot of synchronicities, a lot of signs. You just feel that all of it is coming like, oh, like that aha moment. And this is card number seven. Seven is a very spiritual number. So I think what's happening here is that you are finally understanding yourself. You are finally getting to know that this is what you always wanted to do. Okay, and you want to stick your ground here. You want to do this. I'm also seeing that probably a lot of you might be exploring new things now, and the door to that exploration is opening up for you. Okay, so I'm not seeing a stoppage here. I'm not seeing that you should not explore this. You should explore this, and this is a beautiful time for you as well. I picked that up. Okay, and this door that is opening for you is for your highest good. It is opening the space for you to, penetrate into your inner being, whatever this calling is. Okay, it is here for you to understand that this is the path meant for you. Okay, and just keep your mind and heart absolutely open to whatever comes right now, because whatever comes is going to be good, is going to be sufficient, is going to take you to a different place which is meant for you. This is not alien. Okay, now let me see what the tarot cards have to say here for you. Pile number two. Oops. That's a lot. 1 second. Okay, I'll take all of these. These are a little too much, but it's okay. Let me take them. Again, this card I can link. I cannot tell you guys, when I saw this image of opening to discovery, this is the card that came to my mind. Eight of Wands. I'm going to lay this out first and then I'm going to talk. 1 minute. Okay, I hear the word enough is enough. And there's nothing to take it negatively, okay? Enough is enough. I think you have had a life where you lived for others, okay? Now you need to stop. You need to stop feeling burdened. You have to let this go away from you completely because this is not bringing you the happiness that you want. The door for your happiness is opening up and you're just not willing to go there because you're scared. Okay, you feel that no, this is not meant for me, I don't know, and you feel scared because maybe you've been betrayed in the past. This could be to do with a love affair, this could be a career path, maybe you decided to follow your heart sometime before and it didn't work in your favor, so you just let it be. Okay, now I'm actually seeing that it's high time that you take a decision. Okay, it's high time that you move in this direction because this is where you belong. Okay, I mean, take it however it resonates, guys. It could be a love situation, it could be a career path. Please take it how it resonates. But I'm actually seeing that you need to stop cutting off your happiness. You need to stop cutting off things that give you happiness. You've had this pattern probably in the past that you keep doing that, so it is not helping you in any way. So you have to understand that this cannot go on. This just cannot go on, okay? So here, what I'm seeing is that the universe is giving you a chance to cut down on this whole burden, but you are probably shut. You are not looking at it. You're just not looking at it. Okay, this is a chance for your happiness. This is a chance that has come to you for your highest good, I'm seeing. Okay, and you manifested this as well. I think today I did a post on Instagram. I think you guys should go and check that out because that's a card pull out that I do. It's again the same name as Mishi Blue Tarot, so you can check that out because it's very similar here. I'm seeing that whatever tough situation you've gone through, if you choose this path, you will be out of it. But I'm seeing that you're just not doing it because one could be fear. The other could be you're just scared that again you will break your heart, like what happened in the past. Again, things will not work out in your favor. You just don't feel safe with this option. I don't know what that is. Could be that somebody is coming with a love offer with you, or somebody is giving you something because I have the Knight of Cups. So you're just not feeling safe. So I'm seeing that no, you should not let this opportunity go. It is coming for your highest good, and if you keep shut, this opportunity will also go. So choice is yours. If you don't want to do it, it's up to you, but I don't think that you should let this go because this is not here to harm you or anything. Okay, pile number 2, that is what I have. Let me know in the comments if this made sense because this is what I'm picking up, and I think I've told you what I feel as an advice also. So I think you should follow it because it's not something bad. I don't feel it is bad for you. Okay, guys? Do let me know if this made sense because this is a chance for you to, discover something beautiful. This is a path which might just change your life forever. So think. Okay? Bye-bye. Okay, pile number 3, the final pile, which is the amethyst. Let's see, what does the universe want to tell you right now? What is the message that wants to come through for you right now? Okay, here we go. Here's the amethyst. Call of the muse. Pick up dancing, guys. Pick up the paintbrush. Pick up the colors. It's a call from the divine for you to follow your creativity. This is, I usually don't choose the pile. I don't choose piles when I'm doing my own readings, but I chose this. If you're getting called to dance, if you're getting called to paint, if you're getting called to just follow your inspiration, something that has inspired you, please don't hesitate. It's a call from the muse within you. You're getting inspired. Don't let this go. I see a lot of you could be just getting answers from within about how should you proceed in a particular path. You know it. You know it. Your inner being just knows it, but somehow, maybe subconsciously, maybe you're not accepting. It's a call of the muse. Okay, here, I see that probably a lot of you could be experiencing a lot of creativity at this phase of your life. You are feeling creative, you're just full of ideas right now. That's what I'm seeing. You're very full of ideas at this stage. Okay, and probably even when you're in a state of trance, maybe if you meditate or if you're thinking or if you're alone, I'm seeing that is when you feel or you get this set of ideas to work upon. Okay, if you are a singer, dancer, painter, you will understand what I'm saying, because I am a dancer myself, and I am telling you from that perspective that it's a break free kind of a moment. Okay, I think what you express, people will understand. You should express yourself. Okay, let me see what the tarot cards have to say. This is also card number 431, which is telling me that this will bring in the stability that you're looking for. Yes, it's a divine cup coming your way from the universe to explore it. It might start small, but it has the potential to become big. It's a call of the muse. It's a big thing, guys. It's a big, big thing. It is something that will determine your life ahead. So understand this thing. Yeah, I think you are being a little too practical about the whole thing, which you should not be. Okay? Yeah, you're running away from it. You're shying away. Maybe you think you're not capable of it or something like that. Because I'm also going through the same thing and I can link it with myself. I'm actually seeing that you are being a little too stern or a little too practical about the whole thing. Maybe you feel that this cannot go where it is supposed to go. You're questioning it a lot, but you're feeling pushed to do this for some reason. Maybe this thing is linked with your past life, okay, and you are just being practical about it. I have Page of Cups and Page of Pentacles. So you're thinking a lot. So look, you are not the sort of person who's so practical in life, okay? So why are you being so practical about this whole feeling that you're having? You don't need to. You shouldn't, in fact, because it is a calling and you should answer this, because this will make sense to you at some point of time. And I'm sure a lot of you who, whatever this is for you, you've been doing this since you were a kid, and this brings you happiness. So don't question this so much. Follow your heart, follow your emotions. Okay, follow your emotions. Don't just think about so many aspects. Just do it. Just do it. I don't know what this is for you guys, but go ahead and explore it, because it's here for you to understand. See, again, so I'm seeing that you are throughout just conflicted. You're thinking emotionally, then you're thinking practically. You're thinking emotionally, then you're thinking practically. And there is this constant back and forth that is happening here, which is not required. So I would say that stop being that way, okay? You need to understand that this is happening because it has to happen, and you're being pushed to do this for a reason, okay? You're being pushed to do this for a reason because this is your ultimate happiness. This is what you're meant to do. This is where you are supposed to be. Okay, so don't question it so much. Please don't question it so much. Don't be so practical about it. Okay, stop suppressing your calling from within. Stop suppressing it because maybe you had a path which you are already using to express yourself, but this is another way. This is also required. This is also important. Okay, this is going to blend with what you're meant to do. I think people who've chosen this spiral, you're meant to do multiple things, okay, and it is going to blend together. Okay, it is going to blend together with you. 1 second. Yeah. It is a choice that you need to make to end the burdens of your life. I have the Lovers and the Ten of Wands. So it will bring an end to a lot of anxiety and suffering, or whatever a part of you maybe might be silent and stuff. It will bring that to an end. So guys, think about it. Okay, so that is what I have for pile number 3. I was really being pushed to do this reading today. So it is the call of the muse for me as well to do this reading. So let me know if this made sense. I will see you soon again with another reading. Till then, stay in touch, guys, and private readings are also open, so you can reach out to me. Take care. Bye bye.